October 29 is a very special day in Turkey, and I want to be telling you why. Known as a Republic Day, this national holiday marks the anniversary of the foundation of the Turkish Republic, a day where the country came together to embrace a new future. If you have been in Turkey, or if you are right now in Turkey and you are seeing a lot of flags all over the place, just know this. Now, but what makes this day so significant, and why does it even resonate so deeply with people across Turkey or maybe beyond? Let's dive into this history, traditions, and also lasting impact of the Republic Day in Turkey. Now, to understand Republic Day, we need to go back to 1923. After years of struggle following the World War I, the First World War, the Ottoman Empire collapsed and the people of Turkey found themselves at a crossroads. At the heart of this pivotal moment was a man called Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, a visionary leader and also the founder of modern Turkey. On October 29, 1923, Atatürk proclaimed the establishment of the Turkish Republic. This was not just a change in governance, it was a new beginning with a promise of freedom, independence, and also progress. Atatürk has a vision for Turkey to be a secular democratic state, a vision for that has continuous or also continued to shape the nations today. Okay, now Mustafa Kemal Atatürk's impact on Turkey goes far beyond politics. He brought about revolutionary reforms that laid in the foundations of the modern Turkish state. Education became a priority, religious and government institutions were separated, and women's rights were actually championed, a bold move for the time. Atatürk wanted Turkey, or maybe Turkey, it is now Turkey, but recently, before it was Turkey, that was connected to the world, yet proud of his heritage. His famous quote, "Peace at home, peace in the world," actually encapsulated his beliefs that a strong nation values both internal unity and also global harmony. This message remains powerful to this day as Turkey continues to actually strive for peace and stability. So how is Republic Day celebrated in Turkey? The whole country comes alive with patriotic spirit. On this day, cities and towns across Turkey or Turkey are adorned with national flags, and people gather for events that reflect their pride and unity. Now, from parades and also from concerts to fireworks and cultural shows, the celebrations are grand. Schools play a significant role too, with children performing plays, reciting poetry, and also learning about the importance of this day. Public speeches honor and also the legacy of the Atatürk, and many people visit maybe different places, including the museum, whereby maybe in Ankara, whereby they visit somewhere to see in Ankara, majorly in Ankara, to actually to pay respect to their former president, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. Now, Republic Day is more than just a holiday. It is a day that unites Turkey. It is a reminder of sacrifice made, the progress achieved, and the vision that continues to inspire generations. People of all age come together not just to celebrate, but to reflect on what it means to be a Turkish or to be in Turkey. For many, this day is a chance to honor their roots, their culture, and the values that Turkey stands for. It is about pride, unity, and remembrance, a moment to celebrate the freedoms they enjoy and the achievements of their nation. Now, Turkey has come a long way since 1923. Today, it plays a vital role on the global stage, not only in politics but also in culture, trade, and also humanitarian efforts. Atatürk's vision of progressive, independent Turkey lives on as the country continues to mark its on the world, or maybe its mark on the world. Turkey is often recognized for its contributions to global peacemaking, its unique blend of Eastern and Western traditions, and its commitment to maintaining Atatürk's guiding principle: peace at home, peace in the world. As Turkey, or maybe Turkiye, celebrates Republic Day, we are reminded of the resilience, pride, and also unity that defines this country. The legacy of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk and the values he instilled continue to inspire people, not just in Turkey, but around the world. What does national pride mean to you? How do you celebrate the moments that define your country? Let us know in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to read some of your comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more insights into the rich culture and history of Turkey. Thank you for watching, and happy Republic